This video is dedicated to the Bozdosh Park and Holy Trinity Church. Bozdosh Park is translation into English, but in Ukrainian language it's like Bozdoshsky Park, so it's a little bit difficult to pronounce for foreigners. Anyway, you can find this wonderful place on a Google map. It's easy to come here or by bus from the center. It takes around 20 minutes, and by taxi maybe 10 minutes maximum. What's interesting to see, first of all, there are a lot of such playgrounds, different styles for children, for kids, and for adults, by the way, too. New ones also you can find some retro, for example, like this, it's like Mary Rides, it's called this place. It's originally from Soviet Union, but it still works and it's very good conditions. I mean, it's safety to use it, so don't worry. If you go along this alley, there is mini zoo or micro zoo, I can say, usually for children. There are some turtles, rabbits and other small animals to touch. Contact zoo, yes. And again we go further and we arrive to the barbecue zone. There are a lot of different, I don't know how to call them, kiosks maybe. Okay, places for barbecue. Now it's empty, but I think in the some holidays this place is overfull. So here the pass finishes, yeah, and the also civilization park, civilian park, part of the park finishes and begins non-civilian. Not civil, sorry. And we arrive further to the Uzh River. Small river, of course, you see this river in the center of the town. And also there are different alleys, two or three lines, like this one, I don't remember for now. Just very big green zone when you can walk around and to breathe fresh air. Here is the central square of the park. There's some fountain, should be, but I don't know why it doesn't work. And in radio side there are several alleys. For example, Rose Valley, Fir Valley, and other ones I don't remember their names. Some bridge, I think there before here was or a lake or river, but now, to regret, it disappeared. And near the central square of the park you can find Holy Trinity Church, which was built in such traditional wooden style, made from wood. So there is some very short information about such wonderful place as Bozdosh Park in Uzhgorod.